So I got it all turned on. The car's off. This is just the generator. And I can definitely sleep through that noise. So that shows the temperature I have it set to and the voltage, current voltage. It also shows that the fan is on, that the pump is on in the middle, and that at this time on the right, on the bottom, that the fuel pump is on. V indicates that it's on the voltage setting. I can go through the settings. I don't know what M is. Anyway, that's for the error codes if there are any at the time you're using it. That's if you want to use it on the timer. That's the outside temperature. That is the temperature of the heater itself. And again, the voltage. So, it looks a little deceiving because it looks like there's a fire, but it's just that light. So, but yeah, you can see it's smoking still a little bit. I gotta let it run, and probably gonna go through a couple tanks of diesel before, woo, it's hot, before this calms down. So, gotta get that brake in. Ooh, like my hand right there, I can't even hold it there anymore. Let's see. Yeah, I gotta move it. Right here. I'm gonna get in the direct path. Yeah, my hand's getting hot. Right here. It's about to be too hot to hold. There. It's about as close as I can get it. Woo! It's hot. So yeah, and I mean that's a good 1.5 feet. It's pretty sweet. So it's not always this loud. Of course, if you turn it down, we'll go down to 20. It's kicking out quite a bit of diesel. Coal rolling. Well, it should kick down. But yeah, you only put this in the tent. And so clean air comes through the back here, comes out here via a fan, and then like however this heats up, I'm assuming by radiators. But then there's a clean air inlet for the diesel burn, and then the exhaust. So, but this doesn't go in the tent, just the end of this hose. There it goes. You can tell it's getting quieter. Sounds a bit like a plane. I mean, not as loud, but I'm just saying the sound. Very plane-like. Whew, that air is so hot, man. Like right there. I can't even hold my hand there. Yay! So at this point, you can hear the ticking from the fuel pump, which that's what everybody